Yes, boss. I'm a Shwake. Alright, family. So like, share, and subscribe to this. Don't wait before it's too late. You know what I mean? As you can see, I'm here living my happy life with my family. You know what I mean? Add one. So one add. How much you gonna add? 5 more to the family. 5. So, as I said, guys, I was just saying this African family while I was in Jamaica for, like, you know what I mean? I was just saying it from 2017. I've been saying it. Words is power, family. The power is in your tongue. Just say it, visualize it. It just happened. It's like, you're surprised. People might feel like you work witchcraft or all kind of thing. They don't know the power of the tongue and the power of the mind. Trust me, I'm telling you. Mwah! I'm out. Like, share, and subscribe.